A big part of being an effective ski instructor is being concise and assertive, using proper vocabulary that students understand and relates to the way they've been using vocabulary in the past is important. And you do this by getting to know your student, but also by getting to know technique and the fundamentals of skiing. In the Alpine technical manual, we define skills and learn movement analysis. There's a bunch of other details too. It's a really neat book. This is my favorite book because it's the nerdiest, I think, and it talks about the skiing itself. I've used this book to better my own skiing. Sometimes I have it in my chest pocket and I'll read a chapter and I'll go skiing and I won't even think about it too much. It's kind of fun, the mental exercise of just having this in my pocket when I'm skiing. But to put it plainly, you will learn about the skills, the words you use to describe the skills to students of various levels, and how to basically evaluate a student. Evaluation of a student is probably the most important part of the teaching cycle. It gives you something to base your decisions off of for risk management and progression. A lot of people struggle with movement analysis. Basically, you need to use chapter 1 and chapter 6 together. You take the vocabulary from chapter 1 and you put it in sentences that are basically fundamentals reworded. You use real and ideal. You'll learn about this. For me, the Alpine Technical Manual has been more of how I'm learning the language of the instructor. Instructors speak. So if the teaching manual is how I organize the experience and manage risk, then the Alpine Technical Manual is how I speak or how I decide what to actually say and look for. If you're looking to do levels 1, 2, and 3 with PSIAA, you need this book. You also need the other books for 2 and 3, but this will get you through level 1 pretty nicely. If you're doing clinics and you want to focus your time spent in clinics and training on the teaching side of things, it'll be really nice to have this on your own time, and I recommend you get every book. But if it comes down to the bare minimum, get this and learn to teach in the clinics and with experience. You won't want to talk straight out of this. You won't want to memorize. Well, you can memorize, but you won't want to just speak whole paragraphs to your clients. But having just the basic technical understanding, even if you're not looking to get certified on your first year, will help you make smoother progressions for your students and keep the lesson relevant to the student.